ready to become a Minecraft alchemist and dominate with splash potions. First, you'll need a brewing stand, crafted with 1 blaze rod, obtained from blazes in the nether, and 3 cobblestone blocks. Place the cobblestone in the bottom row and the blaze rod in the center slot. Next, fill 3 glass bottles with water. Simply right-click on any water source with the empty bottles in hand. Place your water bottles in the 3 bottom slots of the brewing stand interface. Now, the magic begins. A Nether Wart to the top slot. This will create awkward potions, the base for almost every other potion. Wait for the brewing process to complete, indicated by the progress bar filling up. You'll now have 3 awkward potions. To make a potion of healing, place Glowstone Dust in the top ingredient slot. Let the brewing finish again to get your potion of healing. Now, for the final touch, add Gunpowder to the top slot. Gunpowder is commonly found by killing creepers or looting chests. Let it brew one last time. Congratulations! You've now crafted splash potions of healing. These throwable potions can heal yourself or your teammates in an area of effect. Go out there and conquer, one splash potion at a time. Like and subscribe for more Minecraft tips and tricks.